Well, hello everybody, good evening. If I can get your attention for just a minute. I'm over here kind of behind all of you. It's kind of weird. Well, hey, welcome to the CRATE Raving Fans fall event. Thank you so much for coming. Let's hear it for Koala and the Golden Boy providing music this evening. So my name is Scott. I've met many of you, if not all of you. So thank you for coming. This is really just an event to thank all of you out there that are part of the, I think we're at about 160, 170 folks in the CRATE Raving Fans Club. So thank you so much for coming this evening and being part of this. What we wanted to do tonight is offer an event that was a little different than ones we've done thus far. We wanted a few more folks here, so thank you for showing up, because there are definitely a few more folks here than past events. And what we'd like to do is, you'll see there's a few tables set up. There's one over here, one here, and one here. And then there's a craft cocktail station over there by my mom. Hey, Mom. Hey, there she is. Okay, over at the cocktail station. Atta girl. Atta girl. Apple didn't fall far from the tree. All right, so what we'd like to do is we have at Station 1, which is right here. Yeah, there you go. Excellent. They're going to be doing the smash burgers there. So everybody, look at your name tag. You're part of a group, right? Who doesn't like being part of a group? And so Group 1, you're going to start. Now listen, this is all voluntary. If you're not the type of person to be in a group and look at a demonstration, sit there, enjoy your drinks, enjoy the food. There's no pressure. But if you're like me and you like being part of a group and like wandering around in a clockwise formation, Station 1 here is the smash burgers, okay? Station 2, which I think is right here. Yes, Station 2, Cubano spring rolls. Oh yes, sounds delightful. Station 3 over here with Chef is grilled chicken spadini. Did I say that right? Spadini, okay. I don't know what spadini is, but it's gonna taste good. It's a skewer, okay. You put a stick in anything and it's good. And then you're gonna show a very unique way of cooking it as well, a yakitori grill. So Chef did something really nice. He set all of these stations up in a way that are actually gonna use more like residential type of equipment, right? So we got like a Blackstone, which many of you have at home, and then like a meat grinder. Do we have a meat grinder at home? Where are you? No? We can probably have one at home by the time we get there through Amazon. So that's Station 3 over there with Chef, and then Station 4, where my mom was, is the craft cocktails. And so if you like, starting about, now, we're gonna kind of get in our groups, and there's gonna be a little demonstration at each station. But once again, if you just want to sit and enjoy, the food is gonna be coming around as well. So please do that. But I did want to make sure to thank the team that put this event together, and carrying the vast majority of that load is Paula Jones. So Paula, give us a wave. Paula has literally been working on this event for months. A ton of effort and love went into this, so thank you for doing that. And then Brianne and Bethany and many others also contributed to this event, so thank you. Let's give them all a round of applause if you don't mind. And then I'm going to be raffling off the winner of this question. I'm going to do a little trivia. Gets a pair of orange shoes, size men's 12, used. Does anybody know where the first CRATE office was? Mom, you can't answer.
Your garage.
JB can't answer. Polly, you can't answer. Anybody? Chef, can't answer? Yes, back there, right there. 9th Street. No, that's actually the 3rd location. Have you noticed our signs are still up there?
I think your garage.
My garage? Close.
Mom's garage.
Kind of Bob Campana, who owns Vintage Gardens, his garage pretty much, right above the bathrooms over here. About 40 yards away was the first CRATE office. The owner of Vintage Gardens had pity on me as a new business owner and said, "Hey, I will let you camp out up here." And yeah, so I was there for about a year and a half, I think. So anyway, kind of full circle 12 years later. Fun fact. No one won the shoes though.
Yeah, you.
So anyway, that's it. I won't bore you with any more announcements. Paula, did I miss anything? Oh, the photo booth. Yes, please enjoy the photo booth. Thank you for coming. So there's photo booth, and we actually have some cool little signs that say like hashtag my contractor's better than yours. Yes? Yeah, let's needle those other contractors out there that always fall short. And so, yeah, and then last but not least, we just signed a lease for a new Elk Grove location yesterday. So that's kind of exciting and fun, right? We just need someone to run it. So if any of you want to go run a division up in Elk Grove, let me know. And that's it. Enjoy the evening. Thank you for coming. If you'd like to kind of get into your groups and go to your stations, the demonstrations are going to start right now. And then we're just going to kind of circulate maybe every 10, 15 minutes. And if you get tired of circulating, just sit down and have fun. All right, thanks for coming, everybody.